Hello guys, finally here is the descriptive video on the Klein Vision's flying car. Without wasting much time, let's jump into the car. This car has recently successfully completed its 35 minutes test drive. For the first time in the human history, you are going to see a successful two-in-one vehicle, that is a car and an aircraft. This car belongs to Slovakian company Klein Vision. It is powered with a 1.6-liter BMW petrol engine, which can produce up to 136 bhp and 115 horsepower. This car consumes 18 liters of petrol per hour. The company claims that the car is capable of flying for 1,000 kilometers at the height of 8,200 feet. It can swap its wings in and out just with the touch of a button. This car takes 2 minutes 15 seconds to transform from a car to an aircraft. This car is capable of taking off within the range of 300 meters. Till now it has completed 142 successful landings. It can hold up to only 2 people at a time with a combined weight of 200 kilograms. A more powerful version of this car will be soon here. The company claims that the flying market would worth $1.5 trillion by 2040. So guys, after Tesla, here is the future, don't you think so? As always, thanks for watching. You can comment out for next video topic, and I will see you in the next video later.